Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Coinglass App, only way. Open the Coinglass app and sign in, then allow basic permissions so data can load. Start by exploring the main dashboard to see liquidations, funding rates, and open interest. Tap a market to view detailed charts, set alerts, and add tokens to your watch list. I'll walk you through customizing indicators and using alerts to stay ahead of market moves. In this video, I will explain how to use Coinglass App, only way. Start by selecting a market and time frame to view price trends clearly. Add funding rate overlays and open interest to understand trader behavior alongside price. Use moving averages and volume to confirm momentum before making decisions. Draw support, resistance, and trend lines for visual cues, and save chart layouts so you can quickly revisit your analysis later. In this video, I will explain how to use Coinglass App, only way. Build watchlists to group tokens by strategy or exchange for faster monitoring. Configure price, alerts for key levels, and funding alerts for changes that often precede volatility. Tune alert thresholds so you only get meaningful notifications and avoid distractions. Review alert history to spot recurring patterns, then refine your watchlists and alerts as your market view evolves.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.